Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news as tanker destroyed oil pier at Misrata, Libya. Tanker ARIN struck the Buraiqa oil pier at Misrata port, Libya, in the evening April 29, while berthing. Pier was severely damaged and partially destroyed. Tanker seemingly sustained dents, probably a gash. She arrived from Tobruk, Libya, and as of May 1, remained berthed in port. Photos Ministry of Communications, Libya. Product tanker ARIN, IMO 9295048, DWT 34620, built 2004, flag Liberia, manager Aegean Shipping Enterprises CEO, Greece, Equasis. If you like our video, please do share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily updates. Thank you.